Hi, welcome back to second part of topographical survey map. Today we will cover 7 major areas of topographical survey map such as contour, contour interval, contour interval, index contour, spacing of contour, spacing of contour, spot height, triangulated height, triangulated height, and benchmark. Okay, today we are going to cover what is contour interval, what is index contour, what is spacing of contour, what is spot height, what is triangulated height, and what is benchmark. First we can see what is a contour. Contour is line drawn in brown joining places having same height from the sea level. Okay, on a topographical survey map we can see brown curved lines. These lines represent places having equal height above the sea level. These lines are called contour line. What is contour line? Line drawn in brown joining places having equal height above the sea level are called contour lines. Places having equal height above the sea level are represented by means of brown curved lines on a topo sheet. These brown curved lines which represent places having equal height above the sea level are called contour lines. Next we can see what is contour interval. The difference in height between two successive contour is called contour interval. Here you have to note down the word successive. Okay, successive. Successive means nearby or adjacent. Okay, the difference in height between two successive contours, between these two or between these two, anyhow nearby contours. Not between this and this, between these two nearby contours. The difference in height between two successive contours is called contour interval. Contour interval is otherwise known as VI or vertical interval. Vertical interval means vertical height between two adjacent contours. Contour interval is otherwise known as vertical interval or VI. Usually the contour interval provided on a topo sheet is 20 meter. The contour interval provided on a topo sheet is 20 meter. What is contour line? Lines drawn in brown joining places having equal height above the sea level. What is contour interval? The difference in height between two successive or nearby contours. What is the contour interval provided to you? 20 meter. Usually the contour interval provided on a topo sheet is 20 meter and the contour interval is otherwise known as vertical interval or VI. One has to know or one has to be familiar with what is contour and what is contour interval. She or he can interpret topographical survey map very well or contours on topographical survey map very clearly. Next, index contour. What is meant by index contour? Although the contour interval is 20 meter, in the topographical survey sheet one can find height shown as 100 meter. To make topographical survey map a distinct one, every fifth line in the multiple of 20 is made more noticeable. This contour is called index contour. See, look at this picture. These are contour lines. Okay, these are contour lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 contours are there. On a topographical survey map, every fifth contour is made very clear with contour interval. Okay, the fifth line in the multiple of 20 is made very clearly given. This contour is called index contour. To make topographical survey map a distinct one, every fifth multiple of 20 is made very clearly. Such a contour is called index contour. Usually the contour interval is 20 meter. But to make topographical survey map a distinct or special one, every fifth line in the multiple of 20 is made more clear. Such a contour, clearly made contour, is called index contour. Okay, instead of writing 20, 40, 60, 80, this fifth multiple only will be given very clearly, only that will be mentioned. This contour is called index contour. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80 will not be mentioned. Instead of that, the fifth line in the multiple of 20 is mentioned very clearly, which is called index contour. Okay, to interpret topographical survey map, index contour is very essential. And what is index contour? Although the contour interval is 20 meter, to make topographical survey map a distinct one, every fifth line in the multiple of 20 is made more clear. This clearly made contour is called index contour. Another important essential of contour is spacing of contour. Spacing of contour determines the slope of the land. Look at this picture. These are contour lines. Okay, these are contour lines. These contour lines represent various slopes. Okay, here contours are drawn close together. Such a contour represents steep slope. If the contours are drawn farther apart, such a contour represents gentle slope. Gentle slope. If the contours are with uniform space or equal space in between, such a contour represents an area with uniform slope. Everywhere same slope. Okay. If the contours are drawn close together or there is little space between contours, such a contour represents steep slope. If the contours are drawn farther apart or if there is more space in between contours, such a contour represents gentle slope, and if there is equal space in between the contours, such a contour represents area with uniform slope. So, the slope of the land is determined by using spacing of contour. If we know the spacing of contour, we can easily determine the slope of the land. The land is gentle or steep or uniform. Easily we can identify if we are familiar with spacing of contour. We can have a clear idea about spacing of contour with the help of this example. We can take a conical hill as an example. A conical hill means a hill in the shape of a cone. cone-shaped hills. The contours which represent a conical hill is a combination of both closed and the contours which are farther apart. Okay, one side of the conical hill is steeper in slope and other side is gentle. Okay, one side is steeper and the other side gentle. Okay, some parts of this hill is steeper in slope. Contours are closer and another side contours are farther apart, so gentle in slope. A conical hill is a best example to understand the spacing of contour. One side of conical hill have steeper slope and another side gentle slope. One side where there is steeper point, there the contours are drawn close together. Opposite side the contours are farther apart, which represent gentle slope. So a conical hill is a combination of both gentle and steeper slope. Here too, see contour interval 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, likewise going up. Instead of 20, 40, 60, 80, here height is shown as 100 meter, 200 meter, 300 meter, so on. These are index contours. Fifth multiple of 20. Index contours. Contour interval is like that given here. So from this diagram conical hill, we can clearly have an idea of spacing of contour as well as index contour. We can see what is spot height. On a topographical survey map, you can notice a number of dots with a number beside it. Okay, large number of dots with a number beside it. On a topographical survey map, you can see large number of dots with a number beside it. Such a representation is termed as spot height. Okay, on a topographical survey map, you can see like this number of dots with a number beside it. This representation is termed as spot height, which means the height of a place. The height of a place is determined by using spot height. How it is represented? Dot plus few digits. Okay. On a topographical survey map, when you notice few dots with a number beside it, you have to know that it is spot height. Spot height is a way to determine the height of the place. Next we can see what is triangulated height. Okay, we can see what is triangulated height. Triangulated height is also one of the methods to show the height of a place. Topographical survey maps shows triangulated height in such a way. Triangle plus few digit. Okay, triangle plus few digit. This represents triangulated height. Triangulated height is a method to represent the height of a place by using trigonometry. By using trigonometry also we can find out the height of a place. Such a method is called triangulated height, which is represented by means of a triangle and few digits beside it. This is triangulated height. Next we can see what is benchmark. Likewise, on a topographical survey map, we can see another method of representation of height of a place, that is benchmark. Benchmark, shortly known as BM. BM 240 meter. BM 400 meter. BM 280 meter. All these represent benchmark. BM stands for benchmark. Okay. Benchmark represent the height of a place which is determined after accurate survey of the land. Permanent survey mark. Okay. Benchmark is a permanent survey mark which is represented by means of BM plus few digits. BM 240. This benchmark. Spot height, triangulated height, benchmark. Once we can recollect what we learned today. Condor, condor interval, index condor, spacing of condor, spot height, triangulated height and benchmark. Hi children, few questions from the previous year's board exam question paper will be added in this video. You can answer in the comment box along with your name. It's a time to wind up this session. Thank you.